want when I want. They are jealous of me. I do what I want when I want. They are jealous of me. I do what I want when I want. They are jealous of me.
Hey guys, it's Alex. Welcome back to my Power Yoga series. Today's flow is going to be my sweated out flow. This vinyasa flow is going to really work your body. We're going to be mixing a little bit of cardio along with some stagnant movements. So we're going to sweat it out. It's going to be really fun. So if you're ready, let's go ahead and get started. If you're unable to join me for this workout right now, go ahead and save this video to your watch later. That way you can come back and join me whenever you have time. Alright guys, so we are going to get started at the very back of our mat in a standing position. Make sure your feet are hip width distance apart. Check your posture. Send that tailbone down. Suck in your lower belly. We're going to start with just some walking out planks. So all you're going to do is you're going to reach your hands down. You're going to start walking all the way out to a high plank position. Squeeze your glutes and then walk yourself all the way back to standing. That's one. We're going to keep going for 6. So just walking your hands out and then walking them all the way back up to your standing. Squeeze your butt every time you stand up and squeeze your glutes every time you come back down towards your high plank. That's for 3. Good. Pick up the pace a little bit for 4. And 5. Last one. And 6, hold the high plank here, squeeze your glutes, engage the abdominals, push your shoulder blades out, squeeze those shoulder blades together, hold it here for 5. Inhale through the nose, exhale out through the mouth. You got it. And then from here, go ahead and just send those hips up, push back into your downward dog, let out a big deep exhale. We're going to take 3 big deep breaths here. Inhale through the nose, exhale out through the mouth. Let's do it one more time here. Big deep inhale through the nose. And exhale as you send that sternum down closer towards the mat. Awesome. From here, inhale as you look up towards the front of your mat. Lift those heels, bend your knees. You're going to hop towards the front of your mat, but you're going to come into your malasana squat. So you're going to bring those feet to the outside of your mat as you send that tailbone down. From here, bring your hands to the center of your heart. You're trying to push your elbows into your knees so you can really open up those hips. If you want to take a rock side to side here just to get a little bit more into those hip flexors, you can. Just take a couple breaths. Inhale through the nose, exhale out through the mouth. Send that tailbone down. Lift up through the top of the head. Good. Then from here, go ahead and place those hands back on the mat. You're going to jump back into a high plank and then jump back into that malasana squat. That's 1 and 2, 3, 4. Keep going for 5, 6, 7, 8. Last 2, 9 and 10. Awesome job. Hold that malasana squat one more time. Bring those hands towards the center of your heart. Inhale through the nose, exhale out through the mouth. Start to slow down that heart rate just a little bit. Come back to your center. Then from here, we're going to work a little bit more into the glutes. You're going to bring those hands back down to the mat. You're going to walk those feet in just a little bit. Send those hips up into the air. You can walk your feet in just a little bit more. From here, bend forward, go into your forward fold. So reach your nose to your knees, and then come back down to the squat, reach those arms forward. We're going to do that 10 times. Reaching forward to your forward fold, and then down to squat for 2 and 3. Working into those glutes, the inner thighs for 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, last 2, 9, and 10. Good. Hold that forward fold. Walk those feet in so they're exactly hip width distance apart. Take a big deep inhale. As you exhale, bring that nose closer towards your knees. Try to reach those hands around your ankles so you can pull your body in. Shake your head no a couple times just to really relax through the neck in the upper body. Inhale through the nose, exhale out through the mouth. You guys are doing great. We're gonna keep going from here. Inhale, bend those knees, roll up vertebrae by vertebrae, come into your full standing. Reach those arms up towards the sky. And as you exhale, forward fold. Good, inhale, coming up halfway. Squeeze the shoulder blades. Exhale, step or hop back into your high plank. Take a nice big deep inhale here. And as you exhale, lower down halfway, chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Take a nice big deep breath. And exhale, downward facing dog. Good. Take a couple walks here. Stretch out the back of the legs, the hamstrings, the calves. Stretch out the shoulders. Push that sternum down towards the mat. Really open up that front part of your body. Good. Take a nice big deep inhale. On your exhale, roll your spine all the way forward into your high plank. From here, we're going to do 20 mountain climbers, making it really quick movements. You're trying to keep up the pace. So you're just going to bring that right leg in, switch out for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Keep going. 10 more. 10, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good. Lower down, chaturanga. Inhale, coming up to your upward facing dog. Ooh, stretch out that stomach. Lift up your chest and your chin. Walk those hands a little bit closer in towards your body to really stretch out the back. Awesome job. Good. From here, push those hips back up into your downward facing dog. Let out a big deep breath. Good. From here, inhale, reach that right leg up towards the sky. Nice big one-legged downward dog. And then from here, you're going to bend that right knee, open up that hip, stack your hips on top of each other. And then if you can either stay here, or if you want to take your full wild thing, go ahead, bring that right foot down towards the mat. Reach that left arm up and back. Stretching out the back here. Good, and then come back. One-legged dog, and bring that foot back down. Moving through these movements quickly. Just stretching out the spine, but still keeping a nice quick pace. Good, inhale, reach the left leg up this time. Bend that knee, stack those hips on top of each other, bring that foot closer towards the glutes. And if you're able to, go ahead, bring that left foot down. Reach that left arm up and back. And bring it back. Bring that leg back into your upward facing, or your one-legged dog. Reach, stretch it out. And then bring that leg back down to your downward dog. Awesome job. Stretch it out here. Let out a big deep breath. Good. And then from here, inhale, look up towards the front of your mat. Lift those heels, bend your knees. Take a nice big hop towards the front and then come onto your glutes. So from here, we're going to take a nice roll down onto the spine. One last exercise. Bring those hands behind your head. We're going to do 20 quick, very fast-paced bicycle crunches. So take a nice big deep inhale. On your exhale, lift your head, neck, and chin up off the mat. Squeeze your abdominals in towards your spine. Lift your legs up off the ground. You're going to bring that right elbow over to the left knee and then switch it out. We're doing 20 quick here, so go ahead, get ready, and go. For 3, 4, 5, 6. Keep going, you got it. Nice fast movements here. Switching out the legs, burning the core. Go for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good job, you guys. Let out a nice big deep exhale. Bring those knees in towards the chest. Take a nice rock side to side. Stretch out that spine. Beautiful job. Start to slow down the heart rate. Take a moment here to just go inward if you need to close your eyes. Feel the benefits of the nice exercise that we just did. Awesome. From here, go ahead, come up to a seated position. We're just going to take a nice little forward fold just to end off this practice. Reach those arms up towards the sky. And then as you exhale, go ahead and fold over your legs. Keep those feet nice and flexed. You're feeling that engagement through the back of the legs. Inhale here and then exhale, fold forward. Awesome job, you guys. Take one more breath here. And exhale. Beautiful. Whenever you're ready, come back up to your seated position. Bring your legs into a cross-legged position in the center of your mat. Mix my hair up. From here, sit up nice and tall. Take a big, deep breath. Let it out. And then reach those arms up towards the sky. Inhale through the nose. And exhale, bring those hands back down to your heart. Give yourself a nice bow, thanking yourself for such a wonderful practice. And you are all done. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. If you guys want to check out more content or check out my whole Power Yoga series, you can go ahead and download our app, Yoga Plus, which is located in the description below.
Welcome to Yoga Plus. Courses available from pupil to yogi. Sort by yoga, fitness, and instructors. Create your own routines. Access the pose library. Yoga Plus by Psyche Truth, available on Google Play and the App Store.
Join us for 14 and 30-day programs, hour-long classes, and much more on our yoga app, Yoga Plus by Psyche Truth. It's free to download and features a variety of wellness content, including yoga, fitness, Pilates, guided meditations, and interviews with dozens of wellness experts.